Diamer Bhasha Dam. Detailed overview. The Diamer Bhasha Dam is one of Pakistan's most ambitious and expensive infrastructure projects. It is designed to address the country's water storage and energy generation challenges. Below are the detailed features of the project. Location. Situated at the border of Diamer District, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Kohistan District, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Built on the Indus River. Purpose: water storage, to store and manage water efficiently. Flood control, to mitigate the impact of seasonal floods. Power generation, to produce electricity and address energy shortages. Key features: live storage capacity, 6.4 million acre-feet. Total storage capacity, 8.1 million acre-feet. Dam height, 272 meters, 892 feet. Spillway gates, 14 spillways, each measuring 11.5 meters by 16.24 meters. Power generation. Total installed capacity, 4,500 megawatts. Number of turbines, 12 turbines, each producing 375 megawatts. Additional benefits: will irrigate approximately 1.2 million acres of agricultural land. Help control seasonal flooding. Create millions of job opportunities during and after construction. For more information, follow my channel, the River Update Hub.